What's up people, this is Shubho and you are watching Binetic YouTube channel. So let's get started. So friends, today I'll show you how you can take a screenshot a whole web page. So click on this icon, go to more tools and then extensions and click on this icon and go to open Chrome Web Store and there search for full screen capture. So I have already installed it. Its name is full page screen capture. I am searching for it. This is the extension. Just install it on your Chrome browser and then you don't need to do anything. Just install it and then go to the web page that you want to capture. Just click on this icon and it will make a screenshot of whole page. You see here, this is the whole page of the whole web page. So you can see this is the all the web page. I can zoom out and just you can download PDF or PNG, both. I just click here to download PNG. So friends, this is the entire phase of my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe this channel. Take care.